I'm Tim Pennington, and you're listening to Seen and Solved.
When you're talking about a membrane and you have the liquid that you're going to filter, that is mainly for different ways that we can call different process. The most common also use it on the plating industry is the reverse osmosis. So
Right.
it's very common to separate ions, aqueous, salt, certain kind of detergents, and those kind of operation that I will describe. That's all related with what is the size of the membrane. So the nanofiltration, that's another word, nanofiltration. You can use, for example, to take dyes from some process or take antibiotics or filter out sugar from a processed food.
Seen and Solved is brought to you by Hubbard-Hall. Better results, less chemistry.